Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing a project overview of the residential project that is Gardens by the Brook, located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project by Sumadura Developers. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before that, let me show you the main surrounding of the project. So here I am at the sales office. So this is the sales office which they have made inside the Tower D itself. And this is the Tower D and the construction work all around the going on. And now, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, where in Housey, we connect you directly with developers. Because the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers, so why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview. So with the help of this miniature, I can show you that this is the main entrance of your project. And this is total 9.6 acres of land parcel in which they are coming up with 8 towers having 2 basement, ground plus 14 floors. And in this, they are coming up with 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. One more thing to mention that on the ground level, there is no vehicle movement. Now coming to the location part, this project is located bank of on National Highway 44, Bangalore Highway in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Now let me show you the National Highway itself. So this is that road, and on the left hand side takes you towards the airport, which is 10 minutes away, and the opposite side takes you to the Mehendipatnam. Now let me tell you about the connectivity of this project. So ORR Exit 16 is 5 minutes away from the project, with Trident Hospital 8 minutes away, with Solitaire Global School 20 minutes away from the project, and upcoming metro station is 15 minutes away from the project. Now let me inform you one more thing, that the sales office of this project has been made inside the land parcel itself in the tower. Now let me tell you about the amenities part. So this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities, like you can see this is the clubhouse number 1 and the clubhouse number 2. Let me tell you the USP of the clubhouse. So in this clubhouse, they are coming up with mini theater, co-working space, library and many more. Now let's see the other amenities. And over here, as you can see, here is the garden area, kids play area, that side is swimming pool, tennis court and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, as mentioned, this project has 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK is 1285 square feet, 2.5 is 1420 and 1440 square feet, 3 BHK is 1625 and 1680 square feet, 4.5 is 3350 and 3725 square feet super built up area. Now let me tell you about the booking process. So project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual flat also. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Gardens by the Brook, located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project by Sumadura Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.